Okay, here we are, guys. Quick stop. We're gonna go look at this Airbnb over here, or potential Airbnb. If you've watched any of my posts about short-term rentals, you know that it is critical for you to have not only just a great spot, something that's gonna catch someone's eye, modern. They say location, location, location. But also, what can separate you is what's around it. Is it quick access to anything that would be attractive. So this house is pretty cool. I just wanted to do this quick video. Look at this behind me. It's a playground, dog park. There's a little water trail right here, the little bridge that's right behind. Probably hard for you to see. Little kids, a little smaller kids playground, but pretty sweet. That you could actually be advertising. Hey, if you have kids, you're staying with your family, you have pets, for example, you walk across the street and you basically are sitting at a playground. Nice little waterway. Pretty cool idea. A pretty cool setup. So again, location, eye-catching, modern, good layout, functional. But then, of course, if you're around any kind of amenities, super awesome. We purchased a house, actually did this on accident. The Level Creek, I've talked about this before, right next door. Huge park they're building in or installing right now. So here's a rental, potential short term. Let's go check it out. So what's really cool is that, yeah, they made this into an outdoor space. I would have definitely, I would have done games here. I mean, this is a cool little like seating spot right here, but I don't know about this gym, but look at this. But
How are you? I'm Claire with Keller Williams.
Hi, Claire. I'm Linda.
really cool spot
It's
for
beautiful.
games.
Yeah, we're just gonna. I saw it. I was like, let's stop by. My husband.
This is what I want my garage to look like. This is pretty sweet. This ground, I don't know what that is, but
No, you're fine.
Okay.
it's like painted.
I know.
Yeah,
Ground or
That's boring.
something?
it's epoxy. It
Yeah.
lasts forever. I wish I had done it a long time ago because it just is super cool. I'm not gonna do it everywhere I go. I just
Yeah.
I love it.
Have you seen sometimes they do the people are doing their kitchens and their main level
Yes.
and everything all like that,
They
which is
are
pretty sweet.
bathrooms,
Yeah,
kitchens.
they just like forget the wood floors. Let's just do concrete and
yeah.
clean it up. So,
And then it's so easy. You just literally.
is it slippery at all? When it gets
No,
wet?
it's
No.
not. It is not slippery.
Okay.
And if anybody could fall, it would be me. I'm really clumsy. But it's not. It's not. So, I have some cats. They don't come with concrete. they
They
really.
don't, because we have a rental that it came with a cat, which we've now adopted because it just harasses you every time you come, and I was like, fine, come with me, come home.
That's what they do. You
Yeah.
never get a cat. They find you and.
Yeah.
Like every time I get out of the car, it's just like.
He's here, she is yours. Yeah, this is actually, I actually have a portable air conditioner, but I loaned it to my ex-husband, so because I thought about you would try to push the air out there, but it really makes for a good additional living space.
Okay.
It'll work out, but this is actually a good little period to just, chill out.
Got it.
Whatever. So y'all can go look around.
Yeah, because what is that is there like a garage door that's just, there's a door that shuts right there. I guess I missed that when I walked in.
You can use it obviously as a garage. I never have.
Yeah, it's great as a little spot. Like,
Yeah, it's a
it's a nice
you can put
patio.
a TV on the wall if you wanted to, whatever.
Needs a little mini bar or something, maybe.
There's a one bedroom that is basically just I'm packing up, and it looks like awful, but
Yeah, no worries.
the appliances are relatively new, and they all have not all of them. I think the microwave might not have, but the dishwasher. Thank you.
I know, it's just like, man, all the little things that you have in here going on is super awesome.
I do have the I'm 99% sure I have the fronts to these.
No, I like it open.
Yeah,
it looks
I do.
good open.
I do
Yeah,
too.
looks good open.
Yeah, I'm the same way. It
So
also causes
this
you.
is your house and you're the.
It is, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So I was trying to let you that room. I'm sorry, it looks like awful, but.
Well, I kind of want to hire you as like my interior decorator for some of our other properties. It's pretty sweet.
Yeah, we got all the cool stuff.
It's like, it's definitely ready for. It's definitely ready for. Look at this, how they did the whole, just like a hotel, they did the whole tile everywhere. It's all done like not great. Great.
How do you? Oh, there's another cat.
Yeah, there's 2 cats. Oh, that one's cool.
This one is like.
It's a good type. Oh, okay. See, that's when they do that. That's when you're like, okay, see you later, buddy. Oh, Jesus.
You think the master? Are you gonna sleep sideways?
Yeah, it's the bathroom. It's like that other house.
Hi, Kitty. This tile I don't like though. Look at that.
No. They're the old school. I like it. It's fine. It's like retro. But it's just.
Tiny.
So, I would say. That's why there's no. Like, if you did beds, you'd have to do. Like, this
You
way.
can't even do beds here.
You would. It's like you have to do the kids' beds this way. Like a bunk, take this fan out.
It's so
Like
small.
there. That you could do a queen against the wall.
You have to do kids' bunk bed in that room.
That's what I'm saying. And that one you could do two, so 2 queens and a double kid
Yeah.
bunk bed.
I love the gym.
Oh, this is so cool. Little monkey thing.
Yeah, I like a lot.
Get all these.
Right now, but I used to travel a lot.
This is
so,
cool.
Yeah, I've like
Little bread
come
board.
back from the
Little bread
bush.
stand.
Literally, I've got a lot of African masks that aren't up right now. They kind of took me down, but
That's awesome.
yeah,
You got a big Buddha up there too.
yeah.
That's awesome.
What office are y'all? I don't know.
California, I'm saying Alpharetta.
Oh, okay.
North Atlanta, I think is what they. You could do a hot tub. You just string lights all across here, back and forth, and make this like a little oasis out back. I'm saying you could you make it like, well, I mean, you could camp or something, but like, you know, the other one had a. Remember that little?
Yeah.
Because you're giving like a cool. Oh, right. Because you're giving like that outdoor space, which I think is pretty cool. You know. And I would do skinny trees here. I would put a couple more 2 or 3 more privacy trees in. That's just. So, lots of outdoor seating. I would even put like a rain shield awning here. But this is exactly what you do. Full grill. I'd do another refrigerator probably. And then I'd order the grill on this side even. And then this nice table, nice little fire pit, just like that. It's exactly set up for it. It's already done. But then you'd come in here, and does that run out? Can you get from here to the back? There's not, but you'd want to get.
Oh, that's a big, beautiful fence then.
I know, but
So beautiful.
you can get around the other side, I guess. But it would be cool if you could just walk right there and then that was all connected.
Yeah. But I think you can open it up.
Yeah, it's a shame that. No, I would just do like, you know. This is just your storage for all your stuff.
Yeah, that's just gonna be storage.
I just want to see what else is up and around here. I mean, I don't feel like any of this is going to go down in value. Right? Little butterfly garden. Little bench seat.